Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You've already opened VS Code and signed into GitHub. Now begin. First, confirm the Copilot extension appears in the extension sidebar and is not disabled. Once done, open the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P and type Copilot to reveal primary commands. Execute Copilot, toggle suggestions as the first actionable step. This immediately flips suggestion delivery. Make sure to watch the bottom status bar for extension activity. This tells you whether the change applied. Next, you'll alter settings to stop suggestions permanently or per workspace. Open Settings with Ctrl+ and search for Copilot or GitHub Copilot. Here, turn off inline suggestions or set GitHub Copilot. Enable to false. That prevents background completion prompts. If you want per project control, switch to workspace settings and apply the same toggle. This avoids changing other projects. Once saved, reload the window to ensure the new config is active and to clear cached suggestion state. Finish by reloading VS Code so all changes take effect. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus P and run developer, reload window. If suggestions persist, disable the Copilot extension entirely or uninstall it. This is the fail-safe. Make sure no other extension offers similar completions. Inspect your extensions list and disable conflicts. One troubleshooting tip: if suggestions still appear, inspect workspace settings, JSON and user settings. JSON for leftover GitHub Copilot entries and remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.